Hello guys, this is Hotman and welcome back to my channel where you get cool tech stuff and tricks. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sign in your email account successfully on our Cracked Capcut app. For you to get this app, of course, you can go to Google and search for is.gd/hotman and it will take you directly to my DM, and where you can make your payments and you can get this particular lifetime cracked version of this Capcut. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the steps. First of all, you have to open your Capcut and make sure your internet you have an internet connection. So as you can see, I have an internet connection. Then the next thing is to go to the last right hand side of your screen. You will see the me icon. Click on the me icon. Then when you look at the top of your screen, you will see where the root tap to sign in. You click on it and it will tell you can either sign up with TikTok, Google, email, Facebook. Mind you, the one that you will use and it will work for you is this particular one, sign in with email. So if you know you haven't created an email account with them, you create. If you have created before, then you can easily type in your password here and it would sign in successfully. But for the purpose of those that don't know, those that haven't created an account, you can look at the last bottom of your screen. You can see that is the bottom of your screen. You will see where the root don't have an account, sign up. So you click on that sign up. Wait, you have to put in your email. Of course, you put in your new password and you have created an account successfully with them, which you can keep on using to sign in whenever you need to sign in. So I will just sign in using my account so that you can see that this works actually. So I'll put my password here already. I've logged in on the app before, so you can see my account has been logged in successfully. As you can see, this is my account. So when you click on view profile, you will see that my account has been logged in successfully. So that is how to log in your email account successfully on our cracked version. So just make sure you follow the steps and you would see that it will work perfectly on your device. Peace.